Welcome back, Vibes fam. Yes, welcome back to my channel where good food and, of course, some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be making some coconut Aminos sweet chili shrimp lettuce wrap. I know that's a lot of words, but yeah, it's gonna be so good. Let's zoom in. Let me show you the bottle of my coconut Aminos sauce, and the of course the flavor is sweet chili. And here I have some shrimp and I'm pouring that sauce all over it. Now, this is an alternative for soy sauce. It kind of doesn't taste the same because it has way less salt, and as well as this flavor for the coconut aminos is sweet chili, so you can imagine it really tastes good, right? Here I'm adding a bit of Lorry's seasoned salt, and I'm going in with some garlic pepper. I really like that thing, by the way. It gives you a little kick. It is so good. So yes, as I said, the alternative is to use some soy sauce, right? But because it's a sweet chili flavor, it's not gonna really taste the same. So here I added some olive oil to my pot, and I'm adding my onion. It's a whole onion that I chopped up or sliced up, and we're gonna go ahead and saute that for until it's translucent, or do it for like 2 minutes. By the way, I'm recovering. I was sick, so that is why my voice is sounding how it's sounding. So here I'm adding 3 cloves of minced garlic. I minced it up real nice, right? If you want to cut them big, I guess, do what you want to do, boo. It's okay. And of course, I'm going in with my favorite, some sweet peppers or bell peppers. And of course, I like to come with all the colors, all the colors. So we're going to go ahead and saute that, of course. And make sure the fire is not too high. So unless you really want to hurry up and get out of the kitchen. But don't burn it, all right, vibes. So I'm saying, yeah, just saute that for like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and add some other niceness. So I cut the carrots in strip. I'm gonna add some carrots, and I cut them in strip, or you can say julienne strips. They're a little bit thicker, just a little bit, right? But yeah, go ahead and add that, and we are gonna saute those again for like 2 minutes together. So yeah, vibes, some I added some more of the sauce, because why not? Listen, we need this thing to be tasty. And I added some more Lorry seasoned salt and some garlic granules and onion granules, or garlic powder, onion powder, right? Yes, go ahead and stir that up. And vibes, fam, this looks so good. I want to eat it just as is. It's just magnifico. So I went ahead and added my deliciously seasoned shrimp. Oh my goodness, let's stir it in. Let us stir it in, stir it in. Oh, look at Lush. It looks so good. It looks so delicious. So we're going to just stir that up, combine everything together, and we are going to leave it for only 2 minutes, right? Just 2 minutes. Cover it for 2 minutes. So cover it for 2 minutes, vibes, fam. Ooh, look at good. Look at nice. That looks so good. So the only reason why I gave it 2 minutes is because the shrimp, they're basically cooked, right? So if you're using like your shrimp look gray, it really raw, it's raw, then you would give it like 4 minutes. Shrimp don't take a long time to cook. So here now I'm adding some spring onion or scallion, and yeah, I didn't want to add those earlier. So I'm just gonna stir it up together, bring everything together. You don't have to cover it again, but I am gonna cover it because I really want all the flavors to come together. Gonna give it another minute or two. So yeah, vibes fam, look at it. That looks so good. This is us all done. Oh my goodness. So now let's plate it up. So here I have my lettuce. I think this is romaine lettuce. Yes, I have my lettuce. They have been washed. The leaves have been washed. You wash them nice and yes, and you dry them. Take a nice clean paper towel and you dry them off. And then now we are putting the shrimp on there, vibes fam. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I am just so excited, delighted, just excited. It is so good. I'm telling you, this tastes so good. By the way, you can get the coconut Aminos sweet chili sauce on Amazon. That's where I bought mine. I bought it a long time ago, right? But yeah, you go ahead and buy it on Amazon and try it and tell me what you think. Of course, it's organic, so it's not as cheap as soy sauce, But yeah, vibes, so I'm played it up nicely. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, are you looking forward to it? Yes, yes, yes. I certainly am. Well, of course, I know it is already. But vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have this amazing, beautiful little plate of, oh my goodness, coconut. Aminos. Sweet chili is the flavor. Shrimp lettuce wrap. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Look at it. And vibes fam, when I tell you it just juicy and nice, it is so, so good. And you bite into it and you eat it. And then, all the flavors kicking in. Everything is just so good. And then you finish and your belly just feel so happy. But here I'm adding some sweet chili sauce. I'm giving it a little extra kick. Yes, so I have some nice sweet chili sauce and I'm just pouring it on it. And vibes fam, I'm telling you, this was like, what do you say now? When you see the new cars and they have the nice little bow on the car? Yes, this is the bow on this nice little dish right here. It tastes so, so good. So good. And you don't feel jam-packed when you finish eating. You just feel nice, Nice little flavors. And of course, your belly feel really nice. But yeah, vibes, Sam, go ahead and comment and tell me, would you try this recipe? Look at it. Look at it. Look at the sweet chili sauce glistening. And yeah, vibes, some shrimp don't take a long time to cook. If you cook it too long, it's going to be rubbery. So please don't do that. You're not going to really like it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you all so much for following me. Hi, my new subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you. And you all have a beautiful day.